Hi, I'm April with WTI. I was looking for an elegant and unique keepsake of my maternity and breastfeeding journey of all 4 of my children. This teardrop ring DIY breast milk jewelry making kit by Milky Treasures is exactly what I was looking for. All I had to add was my own breast milk, and this kit came with everything else needed to create this beautiful ring, including some amazing step-by-step instructions. I was blown away at just how gorgeous this ring looked before even starting this project. With this ring having such serious sentimental value to me, I really appreciate it being made of 925 sterling silver and rose gold plated with such great quality, and it's almost completely seamlessly adjustable. I know that this will last a lifetime. Handcrafting this ring was so much fun, and this kit is designed to allow you to custom make several pieces of jewelry, in which I will definitely be doing. So whether for yourself or a loved one, I think this would be a great gift. And that's my point of view.